separarmu. Otakan emo aku bakla. Dan mo ogeri abuy ke bitarab lima. Ang maklakasal emo atoy dere. Saigitse tabadela togus dimla puduge mongoryo halguk benga ating mundo mau ulmak jotaga Almarin seldora maras estrella Almarin seldora maras estrella di maras mediocre volvimos al día volvimos al día volvimos al día Yaman! All right, once again, everybody, feel free to pick a partner and learn how to cha-cha. If you're visiting Palau, you know, it should be an obligation to learn how to cha-cha.
Haladik announcer 10 lay at sumukumla operator Orior 22040. El Masta de Mio, please emoto kang move ramlim. Mangarang. Ma'am Lila, Tidepet, Ulaong, Handa CRB, please move to kan move ramlim. Sulang. All right. Again, if you lost your purple Samsung phone, please come and collect it at the media booth. And a brown and tan or brown and beige Timberland wallet, please come and collect it at the media booth.
Ooh, Timberland, bougie. Once again, everybody, happy Independence Day! Abi mo ay ka and deep eleyalta ay sambu maktim ni ilata lungil doleste ata aksi nga lek madagin mo kalbutan me Akabinage ansi Rinilak mapostaura ka Tobo-tobo ginagasalomais Ranamgin Akabinage ansi Rinilak mapostaura ka hard. And di lulungakat mo aksayi mabot sa baetol mo atara goroma Oluul Tombeb ka Alomi boydra Lura sa iba Aadilage ansi Dilak maklos maurakaw Dobo-dobo Gida salomay Ranang gid Aadilage ansi Dilak maklos maurakaw ARNOLD El ngarabalong alin Aadilge ansi Ilak maklos maurakaw Dobo-dobo Gida salomay Ranang gid Aadilge ansi Ilak maklos maurakaw ARNOLD El ngarabalong alin ARNOLD El ngarabalong alin ARNOLD El ngarabalong alin ARNOLD El ngarabalong alin Yeah Woo!
All right, man masawla adraban na marandi. El ako mo Aurelia tayo the special presentation or special slideshow to commemorate the 25th silver anniversary Raol Hotel Palau Fair. Adraban na marandi. El ako mo ngarang-ngarang imolge dro kamiu, ngaging aliw. And yeah, 25th silver anniversary
All
of
right.
Hotel Palau Fair.
Just like Keek said, it is now time for our featured presentation, a short presentation of all the accomplishments of 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, for the Republic of Palau, can everyone please bring all your attention to the screens? If you're around, there's a lot of chairs that still need to be filled up. Kids, you guys can sit in those chairs. Can everybody all be seated in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. No, kids. It's not the fireworks yet. Sit down. Yeah. 4.
Yeah, special announcement. Babang Nirausuy, Moran Mertay del Bakra stage. Antirakaw, o sigarakaw. Babang Nirausuy,
Abang
Moran
Nirausuy
Bakra
na
stage.
pasra time. Mlamo 3, 2, 1, hindi ka oklo. Again, there's a lot of seating still available. I got told nga lang tel madal stage. Maldi ako bigiklang, maldi ako bom live. More other mil may, comment ka live. Maldi ako bigiklang, maldi ako bom viral. More other mil may bom dong oklam ring larang ulay galgingal. Kami ulo mesil nga na Texas. Tiyak malulis el mesegda. Di kam dang lakserar other belaw. Matdi nga ramil gol kayang aligayang. Let's go. We're ready to start. Play the presentation.
For 25 years, the All Hotel Palau Fair, or OBF, has been the heart of Palau's cultural celebration. A gathering of artists, cultural practitioners, and communities from every state coming together to honor our heritage, showcase our creativity, and share our identity with the world. Born in 2001 under the guidance of the former Ministry of Community and Cultural Affairs and in partnership with the 16 states of Palau, the fair has grown into the largest and longest standing cultural festival in the Republic. Now, it is facilitated by the Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism and Development, with the Bureau of Cultural and Historical Preservation. The OBF is more than a festival. It is a platform for cultural conservation and revitalization. It sparks creativity and innovation, strengthens identity, and ensures our heritage lives on for generations to come. After 25 years, we ask ourselves, how can OBF continue to bring the greatest value to our people, socially, culturally, economically, and environmentally? Can we connect our festival more closely to the other regional and international cultural movements? What lasting benefits can the fair bring to our artists, communities, and governments? How can OBF serve as a bridge to our state master plans, our national development, and the Pacific Regional Culture Strategy? Aklugo Vargid, Amlukral Eli. This year's theme is inspired by an ancient Pacific wisdom. Our future is in our past. In Palawan, we say Riul for what lies behind us, the unknown future, and Ue for what lies before us, the past, clear and certain, always guiding us. The lessons of our ancestors stand before us, reminding us that our steps forward must be grounded in what we already know. The Ol Hotel Belao Fair is not just a celebration. It is an investment in our cultural future. It is where tradition meets innovation, where heritage guides creativity, and where community creates resilience. For the next 25 years and beyond, OBF will continue to be our platform for cultural innovation, for empowering artists, for uniting our people, and for sharing the Palauan spirit with the world. The All Hotel Belao Fair, 25 years strong, a future built from our past.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, right now, I need everybody out onto the field because we are getting ready to count down to the fireworks. And right now, I want all the kids to come out and help us count down. The Minister of HRCTD, Minister Ngiray Putul, is going down there as well to press the button with some youth, Palauan youth. So he's gonna press the button on our countdown.
Before we
Ladies
get to
and
the countdown,
gentlemen.
before we get to the countdown, we'd like to ask Minister Olgari to come up to the stage and just say some special thank yous while everybody's making their way to the open field. Minister Olgari.
And while that's getting ready, I want to introduce everybody once again, because they're very well known here in Palau, the Pacific Partnership Band, this time with their tag 2025. They're going to give us a little beat. You guys are going to sound check and do a little beat for us, and then we're going to count down together on beat. We're challenging you guys, challenging your musical skills.
Edwin, sabam on ramay.
And before that, let's ask Mr.
Mic check, mic check, mic check.
Olgari, please give us
Mic.
some remarks.
Hello, welcome sa ngay. Good evening, everybody. Di kumtena presidente kurang asulir beklaat el losabil ngartere lalsil sang mamlawila a celebration ng independence kado kurang rorokulad a happy 31st Independence Day. Celebrate 25 years all Hotel Palau Fair. Kado man asulir bekal state government sam na participate marbekal vendors marbeklad em losabil ngartiang. Tirakal wish ra Masil Palau 32 years. Al nga niya Masil Palau. So we're gonna proceed on to momentarily to our fireworks celebrations.
She's almost finished.
Bang kada wish everybody to enjoy the fireworks and the ulaklat kalpula say when we go home after the fireworks, please drive safe, stay safe, don't drink and drive. If you feel that you need somebody to drive you, 654-1422, police substation down the hill. Call them for a driver if you need to. Happy Independence Day, Palau!
Woo! Thank you, Minister Olgari. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the Pacific Partnership Band. And I need all the kids' help, all the youth, to count down with us as we count down to the fireworks. Once again, Minister Ngitay is down there with some youth as well. They're going to be pushing the button on 1. All right? Kids, come here. Where's all the kids? Right here, over here. These 3 girls, come here. We need you guys to count down. Wait, count down with me. Here we go. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Are you ready?
Como me selbadulada, bramda lang iwal.
Here we go in 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
and blast Ladies and gentlemen, happy Independence Day to the Republic of Palau!
Let's go!
Yes, sir! Woo-hoo! Pacific Partnership Band, ladies and gentlemen! Pacific Partnership Band! Sunrise.
Yes. You should have told me. Okay. Can you send the word? Send the word. Woo!
Oh yeah. There we go. Woo! Happy Independence Day, Palau! Woo! Salam Maldives! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Aklungel. Kaya. Yes! Let's go. Lekayang. All right. Adieu. Hoy!
But wait, there's more.
Amak klungel. Yan, brother. Brother, tsaka na minister.
Let's go.
Hoy. Akay. All right! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to celebrate avoiding a government shutdown and passing a continuing budget. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Senate.
All right, let's give it to the Pacific Partnership Band.
Once again, everybody, bring yourself back into the house. We still got a party going on. Give it up one more time for the Pacific Partnership 2025. Woo! Let's go.
Thank you so much. I don't have enough names. Thank you so much. They're just stuffing money everywhere. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're all too kind. Thank you so much. I'm happy Independence Day.
Congratulations. Isn't he incredible? You guys are so generous. Thank you so much. If you know what this next song, sing along with us.
baby, I get you down, down, good time, ready to go. All I want is a good vibration. We stay in the evening. To leave before it's your turn. I will stop the rain to show you the light. Please tell me that you bring me down tonight. Girl, you can only meet me halfway. You feel like whatever you need to say. You down on the blue side, ready to go. You keep us on the end of time and let the dream stop and rock and roll. We're going to bring our lovely Damien back up to the stage along with Aaron, the saxophone player. you focus. I drew this picture just for you, but you don't seem to notice. Whenever you're gone, it's hard to follow through. So remember this song, 'cause your family misses you. Don't go away, stay here with me. Don't go, I miss you every day. 'Cause baby, our love's not lost when you're missing me the most. I'm never gonna let you down, and before you know, I'll be coming home. Oh, I'll be coming home. So if you are leaving, kaya ko ako makahuwakay. Luwi ko alohay kapo. Maybe our love's not lost when you're missing me the most. I'm never gonna let you down, and before you know, I said, baby, our love's not lost when you're missing me the most. I'm never gonna let you down, and before you know, I'll be coming home. Coming Damian Chambers, everybody.
Miela Sartori, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't she fabulous? We're going to welcome some of our horn guys back on stage. Now, the majority of this band, all wearing, well, most of us wearing the white uniforms, the ones with the hoods and the flaps. We all come from Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, so we know a thing or two about living that island lifestyle. But this group right here on stage with me right now, we've been together for or so, working together and playing together, making music, making memories. So I'm gonna stop talking and jabbering and let these gentlemen do what they do best. Position automatic transmission with the old emissions. I'm a brand new edition to the old edition with the love unconditional. And I'm a type of abolitionist thing, no opposition to my proposition. Half of a man, half magician, over politician, holding the mic like ammunition. And the vision is as simple as like, ain't no reason we should be in a fight, no demolition. Get the vote, get to say what you like. Procreation compositions already by themselves. Hex for the people not believing in God. Good job, get 'em up way high, give me that high five. Good time, get 'em way down low, give me that low low. Good God, bring 'em back again, give me that high time. To the best definition of good intention. I do not answer the calling, do not know who is calling. The point of it all is that we never know really. Trying to keep with the Joneses, waiting for guns and the roses to finish what we all suppose is gonna be fucking so silly. Oh, piss lock, bumping a wrist lock, snap a Rizzler, Kid Icarus on the transistor, Nintendo for giving me the blisters. I bend over, taking in the system. My best friends are hitting on my sister, trying to tell him that he's still a wisher. Cause she already got herself a mister, and besides that's gross to wanna diss her. Didn't I say? Good job, get 'em up way high, give me that high five. Good times, get 'em way down low, give me that low low. Good guy, bring 'em back again, give me that high ten. For the best definition of good intention. I do not keep up with statistics, I do not sleep without a missus. I do not eat unless it's fixed with some kind of sweet like a licorice. My home is deep, optimistic, I'm known to keep digging on a distance. Hold under the heat like a fish stick, my phone it beeps because I missed it. I do not answer the calling, do not know who's calling. Making no sense of it all, I say can I get a witness? I'm only a boy in a story, just a hallucinatory. Tripping on nothing there is, living in a wilderness. Tiger spot on my back, living life over care. Just wanna relax here and write another rap tune. Driving off from your blind man's bike. You can say just what you like and nothing can stop you. Musician second class, Jamie Morgan on the bone. Low, give me that low. if you give me that low. Good God, bring it back again if you give me that high time. You're the best definition of good intentions. You're the best definition of good intentions. You're the best definition of good intentions. You're the best around. Keep that applause going for our drummer, musician first class, Jonah David. I'm trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You could turn me on with just a touch. Maybe I look around now, since city's cold and empty, and no one's around to judge me. I can't see clearly when you're gone. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light, and no one can sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night, and if I don't like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, hey. Andrew, I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun right out the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh, this city's cold and empty, and no one's around to judge me. I can't see clearly when you're gone. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light, and no one can sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night, and no, I don't like this, you're the one I trust. I'm just coming back to let you know I can never say it on the phone. When I let you go this time, I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights, and no one can sleep until I feel your touch. Hey, hey, hey. Give it up for Miela Sartori from Australia. The definition of partnership. We got two of our Canadians on stage right now. Give it up for Andrew George on the saxophone and Cameron Milligan over there on bass. He also is playing the trumpet. one hiding amongst you right here. Give it up for musician second class, Michael Miner. He's running all the sound you hear.
Oh.